Have you seen the latest images from the James Webb Space Telescope? They're honestly mind-blowing.
Absolutely. The detail is incredible. I never thought we'd be able to see galaxies forming billions of years ago.
It's like having a time machine, isn't it? Looking back almost to the beginning of the universe.
Yeah, and what's wild is how it can see through cosmic dust. The Hubble couldn't do that as well.
Right. The infrared capabilities are a game changer. It's like putting on night vision goggles for the cosmos.
Speaking of night vision, I read that Webb can even spot exoplanets' atmospheres. That's next level.
Imagine detecting water or even signs of life on distant worlds. That's sci-fi becoming reality.
Exactly. But do you think Webb might find evidence of life, or is that still wishful thinking?
Maybe it's wishful, but the building blocks are there. Even learning about planetary atmospheres is a step forward.
True, and it's not just about life. Webb helps us understand how stars and planets form.
I love how it's answering questions we've had for ages, but also raising new mysteries.
Like those unexpected galaxy shapes. Astronomers are scratching their heads.
It's almost like the universe enjoys messing with our theories.
It keeps us humble, right? Every answer seems to come with 3 new questions.
That's science for you. But on a personal note, seeing these images makes me feel connected to something bigger.
Same here. It's humbling and inspiring all at once. The scale is almost impossible to grasp.
Sometimes I wonder, will future generations look back at this as the moment we truly started to understand the universe?
I hope so. Webb feels like a real turning point, like when Galileo first pointed his telescope at the sky.
Except now, our telescope is parked a million miles from Earth.
Talk about remote work. I'm still amazed at the engineering behind it.
The sun shield, the mirrors unfolding, just getting it to work was like solving a cosmic puzzle.
And no repair missions out there. Everything had to work perfectly the first time.
The pressure on the team must have been enormous.
But they pulled it off. Now we're reaping the rewards with every new image.
It's a great example of international collaboration too. Scientists worldwide are benefiting.
I think that's one of my favorite aspects. Science bringing people together.
Maybe the universe is teaching us a lesson in teamwork.
Or at least in patience. It took decades to launch Webb.
Worth every minute, though. The discoveries are only just beginning.
Do you think there's a limit to what we can learn with telescopes like Webb?
Maybe, but I think each discovery just pushes us to build even better tools.
So the adventure continues. Who knows what the next telescope will reveal?
That's the beauty of exploration. There's always more out there.
Agreed. Maybe one day we'll look back and laugh at how little we knew.
Or be amazed at how far we've come. Either way, I can't wait for the next big discovery.
Me too. For now, I'll just keep marveling at those cosmic photos.
And dreaming of what else is out there. If you could ask Webb one question, what would it be?
That's tough. Maybe, are we alone? What about you?
I'd ask, how did it all begin? The ultimate origin story.
Big questions for a big universe. Let's see what answers the Webb brings us next.